Alright, I went to a couple of moving sales this past weekend, and I found this great sewing machine. And at the other sale, a globe. This is a name I've never heard of, New Home. Looks like it's in perfect condition. I tested it. Just have to do a little cleanup and get it ready for listing, and I'll show you how I get it cleaned up and listed. I had a Singer sewing machine a few months ago. I had that listed. I think it sold within a month. And I did a little bit of research on this New Home. This was actually a rival of Singer sewing machines back in the early 20th century. And then this company was eventually bought out by the company called Janome. And this machine is made in Taiwan. I'm not sure of the age. I cannot find a model number on it. I did a little bit of research so far, and cannot come up with any kind of age on this. I'm guessing 60s or 70s. It's got all these little parts with it. I haven't even looked at this stuff yet. Some bobbins. I found one other on eBay, very almost identical to this, and they have a model number posted on that listing. So apparently there's some way to find out a model number. I'm going to try to figure that out. The Janome company is still in business, and they may have information on the age of this machine if I send them the serial number. I looked at their website, and the serial number is right here. So I might be able to send them the serial number and find out the age, and get some sort of a model number on this. And it's just a little bit dirty. Just doing a little cleanup on the outside here. I'm going to lubricate all the moving parts. Clean up the case. I'm going to take this machine out of the case and wash out the case. And it just simply rotates back, and then you just... It doesn't slide out of the case like a Singer machine. So I'm going to rest this on some paper towels here. Looks like there's some set screws right here. But they look like they're plastic. And you may be able to slide this off the pin. This pin is hinged into the case. So I'm not going to try to remove that. I don't want to damage that set screw. And it's got to clean out this inside of the case here. And just going to use soapy water, just some dish soap. Now I'm just going to hit all the moving parts with a little bit of WD-40. Some moving parts in here. I'm just going to hit these. And down inside this hole here I see the crankshaft. Now the outside of the machine, just the same thing. Just a little bit of dish soap and water. I'm just going to wipe the whole thing down. Now the lid is quite dirty. I'm going to take a little bit of TSP this time and give it a little bit of a scrub with some TSP. Alright, that looks like new. Okay, I've got it plugged in. Now I'll take some detailed pictures and type up the listing.